Alright, there's some of the rot. Hey, welcome to the Backyard Professor Chess videos. Unfortunately, my foundation of my house completely sunk, and I am in the middle of renovating. You can see how it went down, and I had to dig all the way under the footing just to get it concreted and cemented and solidified. My bottom two logs on this side rotted out on me. The log underneath the door rotted out on me. I'm trying like crazy to, that log right there I'm cutting out. I'm getting ready to cut out. I've got most of that one cut out. But yeah, this is a major problem that I'm having with my house. So this is why I'm not making a lot of chess videos right now. I have to redo a lot of this thing. And believe me, it's a lot of work. So if I don't get videos this weekend, you're just going to have to forgive me. I'll try to catch up during the week maybe. I'm in the middle of the chess tournament, our first annual BYP chess tournament. And I'm doing okay, I think. I think I've won as many as I've lost. I've had a couple of major upsets. I've beat some 1900 rated players, which is really cool. But I mean, everyone has an off day. So anyway, I'm having fun. We're doing good. I just don't have time to make videos right now because I have to get my house fixed. So this is me signing off. I will try to get a couple of videos this week. Thanks for your patience and thanks for understanding. You guys are the best. I'm serious.